Happy Monday, my first graders. Oh my goodness, I hope you enjoyed the sunny weather on Saturday, and then Sunday kind of took a very stormy turn, didn't it? All right, it is Mrs. Foster, self-appointed math queen. Let's go ahead and do another math lesson in our series of the combinations of numbers. So let's go over expectations. We think, act, and talk like a mathematician. Here are those good old-fashioned 8 mathematical practices. Let's review them quickly. Number 1, mathematicians keep trying. Number 2, mathematicians think about math. Number 3, mathematicians talk about math. Number 4, mathematicians model math. Number 5, mathematicians use math tools. Number 6, mathematicians check your work. Number 7, mathematicians look for patterns. And number 8, mathematicians look for shortcuts. Today, when we warm up our brain, we're going to do some work with our bundles and our sticks. And remember, how many sticks are always in a bundle? 10. How many bundles am I holding right now? 1. Sometimes I will have friends that'll tell me that there's 10 sticks, and then I ask how many bundles, and they'll say there's 10 bundles. That would be a whole lot for me to grab. So we are going to be using bundles and sticks to solve some addition equations. And then I'm going to be using my screen to cover that. So I'm going to lower my computer down. And again, you want to get a visual picture in your brain of what the numbers look like. So I'm going to start with the number. I've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then I'm going to make it so it's easier to see, 24, 25, 26, 27. So get that visual picture of your 2 bundles and your 7 sticks. And I'm not sure if I'm going to go this way with that. So now I'm going to cover that up. So we're 27. Now I'm simply going to add 2 more bundles, which is 20. Now how many would we have all together? So I'm going to hide these under here. So we had 27 and I added 20 more. All right, let's see, check our work. Now we have 4 bundles, which is 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. But we still have our 7 sticks. Did you say 47? You would be correct. We had 27, and then I just added 20 more, and now we have 47. So I wanted to do a quick warm up with bundles and sticks. Now, this is where you're going to want to go and get something to write with and something to write on, and then pause the video and come on back when you are ready to go. Hi, welcome back. So the last time we did a video, we were working on our combinations of 9. We used the 10 frame and my red and yellow counters to see the different combinations of 9. So now what we're going to do, another visual, is to do the rainbow of 9. So on your piece of paper, I want you to write the numbers 0 through 9. So go, if you need to pause while you do that, go ahead. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so welcome back if you needed to take a pause. And so each one of these numbers has a partner. And we're going to start with the bigger number because it's usually easier to think of what goes with the bigger number. Not that we could start with the smallest number and work our way up. But let's start with 9. What goes with 9? Which one of these numbers goes with 9 to make 9? Yes, it's 0. What goes with 0 to make 9? 9. What goes with 9 to make 9? 0. It's so important to learn all your combinations within 10 in first grade. So now our next number we have is 8. Which one of these numbers, what goes with 8 to make 9? Well, easy peasy, 8, 9. So 8 and 1 connect on the rainbow. What goes with 8, or what goes with 1 to make 9? 8. What goes with 8 to make 9? 1. Oh, you guys are awesome. So now I've got 7. So which one of these numbers that are left goes with 7 to make 9? Ooh, I see on my 10 frame that I've got 5 red on the top and 5 red on the, or 2 red on the bottom, which is 7, and 2 yellow. Oh, 7 and 2 make 9. What goes with 2 to make 9? 7. What goes with 7 to make 9? 2. We only have 4 more numbers left in our rainbow. So now we've got 6. What goes with 6 to make 9? 5? No, that would be 11. Oh, I know 6 and 4 is 10. Oh, it has to be 3. So I'm going to connect those. What goes with 3 to make 9? 6. And what goes with 6 to make 9? 3. We only have 2 more numbers left because 9 is an odd number. So I know that 5 plus 5 would equal 10. So 1 less, 5 plus 4 would equal 9. So what goes with 4 to make 9? 5. And what goes with 5 to make 9? 4. So now you have your rainbow of 9. Feel free to use this rainbow of 9 as we play a game. If you don't need it though, great. Goal in first grade is to know all the combinations of the numbers 1 through 10. Okay, so I'm going to show you the game. Don't worry. I'm going to send this game to your teachers so that they can either put on your class dojo page or on your Clever page. And if you have a printer, you can print this out, or this will just pop up on the computer. If you wanted to, though, you could pause the video, get a piece of paper, and write down the numbers going around and the numbers in the middle. So this game is called Growing a Garden to Nines, because again, we're working on knowing the 2 numbers that go together that make 9. So I'm going to put the game down. I'm going to lower my computer. And now you're going to need a dice. It doesn't matter whether you have a dice that just has numbers on it, or if you have a dice that has dots on that. You could even just make up a number to see how many spots that you're going to go. So now I've got my counters. I'll be blue today. I'll let you all be orange. You guys can go first. I'm going to pretend you want it to start on the gloves. So I'm going to roll this dice to see how many spots you go and see what number we land on. And then you have to tell me how many more do you need to make 9. Oh, Mrs. Foster got one of her big rolls again, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You landed on 0. How many more to make 9? Yeah, 9. 0 and 9 make 9. I'm going to be blue, and I'm going to start down here at the flower pot. Oh, I got a 4 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I landed on 3. Now, I know that 3 and 6 make 9, but if I wasn't sure, I could use a friendly number, which is 5. What goes with 3 to make 5? 2. And then what goes with 5 to make 9? 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. And so 5 can always be an anchor for you if you're not sure. So 3 and 6 make 5. All right, it's your turn. Oh, got you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would, if we were playing this together, you would just skip a turn, but I'm going to go ahead and have you land on 6. Now, 6 is bigger than 5. So how many more, if you have 6, how many more to get to 9? Well, 4 would get you to 10, and what's 1 less than 4? You're right, it is 3. 6 and 3 make 9. Okay, Mrs. Foster's turn. Oh, I got a 4 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I landed on 5, that anchor number. So again, I know that 5 plus 5 would equal 10, but we're trying to get to 9, and 9 is 1 less. So, 5 and 4 make 9. That's what I love about numbers. You can use what you know about different addition combinations to help you solve other addition combinations. Oh, you guys got you 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You landed on 4. Now, how many more to get to 9? Well, you might know, well, gosh, 4 and 6 make 10. So 1 less than 6 is 5. Or you could go again, I know I need 1 more to get to 5 and 4 more to get to 9, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So I'm going to cover up a 5 for you. Okay. Mrs. Foster will just take one last turn. I got a 2. 1, 2. Now I landed on 1. A way to think about it is if I had 9 and I took away 1, how many would I have left? Well, I would have 8 left. But again, if I wasn't sure, I could say to myself, well, I know that I need to add 4 to 1 to get to 5. And then I need to add 4 more from 5 to get to 9. And I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I would just cover up an 8 right there. So I sure hope you have fun playing the game Growing a Garden of Nines. I love coming to work with you first graders. It makes me feel like we're together. Have a great Monday, and I will have another video for you on Wednesday. Let's go ahead and put our hands in. You got them all on top? Got them on top. Let's do our cheer. 1, 2, 3. Math is cool, and tigers rule. Break. Have a wonderful day, my first grade friends.